short form video isn't slowing down. So how do you make sure you've got enough footage to run with? Today, we'll learn how to prompt video from scratch using Canva AI as our creative partner. First, we'll cover the basics of prompting video like a pro. Then we'll put it into practice and make edits through simple conversation, so we get footage that matches our vision exactly. Let's do it. A good video prompt works like a good brief, so the more detail you give, the closer the result matches your vision. And the secret is to follow a recipe. Now, there are 5 key ingredients. The subject, who or what is the focus? The action, what happens in the video? The context, where is it set? The camera, what shots do you want to see? Wide shots, close-ups, pans, you're in the director's chair. And last up, the look and feel. What style are you going for? Let's watch our prompting ingredients in action. I'll start with our subject and context, a steaming mug of coffee on a cafe table. Then I'll add a camera direction, a close-up shot with a slow zoom out. See how that shifts things? Now the action, the scene should transition from morning to evening. Then some more context. It's a small cafe by a window. And finally, the look and feel. Warm lighting, cozy, soft, natural tones. See how each ingredient gives us a more detailed output? Using the prompting recipe really helps us get the results we're imagining. Now we're across the learning theory, let's put it into practice. Every great video needs a hook, right? Let's start simple and prompt an opener for an ad. It's for an interior design service, so we need something that captures their look and feel and really grabs attention. If you want to follow along with us today, head to the activity link under the video. I'll go to Canva AI on the homepage and select video and use our prompt recipe as my guide. So for the subject, I want an empty lounge room. For context, bright daylight with floor-to-ceiling windows. The action is where it gets fun. We want furniture and decor appearing and bouncing into place. That's the thing that gets people locked in. For camera, let's keep the shot wide and straight on, so we see the full room. And for look and feel, a warm palette with modern, rounded shapes. And see these options below? Canva AI gives us some suggestions to help shape the video further, so we're not starting from scratch. We pick what fits and hit generate. And here's what Canva AI came up with. Let's play this back. See how our prompt ingredients all made it into the mix? The lounge room, the windows, the gallery wall popping in, the furniture bouncing into place, even the color palette's there. That's the power of following a prompting recipe instead of just cooking something up on the fly. But if something's not quite right, say the pacing feels off or the colors aren't warm enough, we don't need to rewrite the whole thing. Just give Canva AI the feedback the same way you talk to a collaborator. Something like make the furniture appear faster or warm up the color palette. And look at the result. It's really transformed, right? That back and forth is all part of the creative process. You can apply the prompt recipe we used today to any video you want to create. Play around with motion, create entire promo videos for your product, make cinematic shorts, educational videos for students, or experiment with different styles. There's no limit to what you can create, and we can't wait to see it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.